Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Geo SIM is active and the phone is unlocked. Open the My Geo app right away. If you don't have it, download and install it. Once done, grant required permissions like contacts and SMS so the app can verify your number. You want a stable internet connection because verification requests and account info load faster. Make sure battery isn't critically low. A failed process mid-flow wastes time. Now proceed to the app sign in screen to begin. You'll choose SIM verification or request an OTP from the My Geo sign in options. The app usually detects the Geo SIM automatically. When prompted, allow SMS permission so the OTP can autofill. If it doesn't, type the 4 or 6-digit code manually. Once signed in, go to the Profile or Account tab where the registered mobile number is displayed. If you manage multiple numbers, confirm the active one by checking the SIM details shown next to the listed number. You finish by double-checking settings, right arrow account to ensure the displayed number matches your SIM. If the OTP doesn't arrive, reboot the phone and retry after waiting 2 minutes. Network registration can lag. Make sure Do Not Disturb isn't blocking messages and that SMS storage isn't full. If problems persist, use the in-app chat or call Geo Support, 198 for prepaid, to resolve provisioning or SIM issues. Once support confirms, reopen My Geo and your number should appear correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.